Fine.
Welcome to
Okay,
Thank you.
thank you. So nice.
So, District Legal Services Authority, Patur, and Birthday Assistant Principal Mr. Ashok Shabanji, officers of members of BLSA, Patur, PLPs, and media persons. Good morning, and my warm greetings to everyone who have participated in this one-day awareness orientation program, which has been organized today under the directions of Body Chairman BLSA Patur. And the program which has been organized today, the participants of this program are the panel advocates and the PLPs. So through this platform, sir, we welcome District Legal Services Authority to kindly sensitize the panel advocates and PLPs who are present.
So, I would say that this is just a teamwork. It is one family. And you know, in a family, we have brothers, sisters, elders doing their own respective duties. Father doing his duty, grandfather doing his own job, sons and young children doing their own job. And my job is just to keep just how the system is running. You know, everyone have been cope with this system. Great. So our prime duty is to come up to the expectation of everyone. Either lack of infrastructure or lack of just think that we have great hopes with this institution and they are not coming out to our expectations. This is the only thing which I must tell you, that people have great hope with this system. So we have to come up to their expectation. You know, you go by the constitutional mandate. We are a constitutionally set up system, and this is a democratic country. If you go by the preamble of the constitution, you can yourself have an idea that speaks of justice, social, economic, political. It talks of this fraternity, this brotherhood, then this equality, all that. Said on the outset, most duties, most of the things lies with us. We have to do. People come with the hope, and we have to come to their expectation. We are the sentinels of the justice. We are the sentinels of the justice, and we have to come to their expectation and just ensure this. That we have to just, as we say, we are a rule of law. We are governed by a rule of law. Every person sitting in the queue, in the last row, in the queue, he must get his due. And if he doesn't get the rights, so we are not fulfilling the constitutional mandate. So people come to the court, you panel lawyers, or you these PLVs, as I have said yesterday in the last meeting also, you are a kind of bridge. You have to bridge the gap between the commoner and this system, judicial system. You are in between, and your duty is very solemn. You have to come to the expectation of the people. You are the first interface with the public. Go to the public, go to the field. We get every time we get various type of programs. These are already settled by the Honorable Supreme Court or by the High Court. We have these events, detail of events which are to be held every month, and for that reason, our duty is just to give you timely, just sound you, or just to give you timely signal that these programs are to be held. Go to the masses, go to the people, reach out, just have an outreach to the public, sanitize them, tell them about their rights. We have small petty issues at the grassroots level. Those issues, just for saying, may be small, but tomorrow those matters, those issues, they become big issues for them, and they, in the shape of cases, in the shape of big issues, big matters, they finally end before the court. And you know already, the plight of the courts. Courts are overburdened. Judiciary is cracking under high pressure of this workload all through the country. You see, our Honorable Apex Court to have admitted this fact, that the judiciary is under a very constant and very tremendous pressure of this workload. So for that reason, this is my maiden request to all of you. Just rise to this situation, make your best efforts, and reach out to the public so that these small things, small petty issues which you feel that tomorrow may become big issue or snowball into big controversy, tomorrow may lay to the court, those are resolved at the grassroots level. So see how important is your role. Your role is very important, very, very important. We are sitting in the court. We are just dealing with the cases those we come across, or those who are filed before us. But think of those cases which you feel that may come to the court. Try your best to resolve it there so that overall burden is also reduced. And that will definitely reduce this dependency in the court to a considerable level. So your role is very important, and we have great hopes with you. Being the, as I said on the outset, we all are sentinels of this temple of justice. हम सब कानून के सिपाही हैं. हमें ये काम करना मिलकर. And you know, if you have to lift some heavy weight, if you lose your one finger, may be very difficult for you. May not be successful. May not succeed in lifting that weight. When you put second finger, third finger, fourth finger into use, that will become just your hand. That will give you power. And once you use the power, you can lift heavy weight. You can lift any weight which was difficult at one time. That will become easier for you if you put your hand. Hand gives you the power. So you are my hands. You are my arms. You are my power. It is not me alone who has to bring the wonders or laurels. It is because of your efforts we can run this charity onward, forward. So this is all what I want to say. You know, you are aware of the court system. We have cases, variety of cases, matrimonial cases, then these bank recovery cases, then these civil cases, then these motor vehicle act cases. There is a list of the cases which can be easily compromised, or those can be settled. There also comes the role of panel lawyers. We have cases which are in the cases where the accused persons are brought to the court in a remand. You can come, you can resist the remand. You can, you know, the custody that too has to be. There are several laws on that. Supreme Court has time and again just given clarion call that these custody issues indefinite period, police incarceration or judicial incarcerations, those are also to be viewed very seriously. In some cases genuine, some cases ingenuine also. So there is also your role to come to the court, say or argue it before the court whether